Hello! We are Project deVICE, a Year 3 community problem-solving team aiming to prevent device addiction in children aged 5 to 9. Today, we'll be teaching you to make a simple and pretty leaf crown that you can make with your kids. Materials you'll need: colored paper for cutting out decorations, a foam band around 55 centimeters by 3 centimeters or just enough to fit around your child's head, decorations like leaves, double-sided tape, scissors, and a pencil. You can also cut out any shapes from the colored paper. How to make the crown? First, cut out a small portion of double-sided tape. Paste it at one end of the foam band. Flip the foam band to the other side and stick double-sided tape on the entire length of the foam band. Peel the tape off. Now, decorate your foam band. Stick any leaves or paper cutouts however you want on the tape. Unleash your creativity. Ensure the decorations are stuck onto the tape properly. Peel off the double-sided tape on the other side of the foam band. Stick both ends of the foam band together. Now you have your leaf crown. This activity is easy to make, mess-free, and great to cultivate a love for nature in your child while making sure they stay away from their devices. We hope you'll have fun making it together. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe.